Hi, Phil here to show you how to get your new RGBW Bluetooth controller integrated with your existing Diode Dynamics RGBW system. I'll show you how to pair your JST wires with the bare wires from the current driver, as well as your power and ground to the new Deutsch style connector. Let's go ahead and get started and get you up and running. We're going to start with our power and ground connection. On our old RGBW touch controller, this was accomplished with a DC style plug. We've actually changed this to a Deutsch style connection for a more robust and reliable connector in an automotive environment. The power and ground connections are going to be the exact same as before, so you'll just simply take your spades to your existing taps or your positive and ground to your existing taps, and then run these directly to your Bluetooth controller. Once you have your power and ground connected, then we're going to want to remove the driver from the RGBW touch controller. To do so, we simply need to flip it over and access the set screws underneath. Take a small Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew these guys to loosen them. Once you have them free from the controller, simply slide them right on out. Now you'll want to take your JST pigtail wire that was available for your kit, and you will need to strip back a little bit of the wiring to give you a little bit more play on the ends to connect to the wires. We'll simply want to take, at this point, the matching wires and connect them to your existing driver wiring. Now, you can do any type of solder, heat shrink, butt-end connectors, whatever you feel is going to be most secure and stable for your application to connect these guys together. Once you have all this wiring tied together, and again, this is just for demonstration, obviously you're going to want these covered whenever you're finalized and finished with your installation. You're going to take the other side of your JST connection and plug it directly into your RGBW Bluetooth controller. You've now replaced your touch controller in your system with our new RGBW Bluetooth controller. We hope this was helpful in getting your new RGBW Bluetooth controller installed with your RGBW Diode Dynamics system. This controller is currently available at diodedynamics.com, or you can use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.